Hey friends, let's make a crochet broccoli. So we need a 2 mm of crochet hook. First we have to make a magic circle. Okay. 10 single crochet inside the magic circle. Let's start a second row. Put a stitch marker in the second row. In the second row, we are gonna make 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, then 1 single crochet, then again 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, then 1 single crochet, and repeat like this. Third row we will do same like row 2. Single crochet 2 in 1 stitch, then single crochet 1 in the next, and single crochet 2 in the next, and repeat. In fourth row, we will do single crochet all over. There is no need of increase here. Let's replace the stitch marker. Continue the next rows with single crochet on in each stitch. So I'm gonna put this bottle cap inside it for form the support. Now let's continue our work. We have to make single crochet 1 in each stitch. We are gonna make 12 rows. So let's count. Now replace the stitch marker. Now let's start the top portion. Change your color and start the row by double crochet 4 in the same stitch. Now insert your hook in the very first stitch of this row. Now put your last stitch in the first stitch and then chain 1. This is called a popcorn stitch. Make popcorn stitch in every stitch of this row. Close the row with a slip stitch. Chain 2. In every chain 1 space, make 1 popcorn stitch. The row with a slip stitch. Chain 2, make a popcorn. In this row, skip 1 popcorn and make a popcorn in the next stitch. Gonna skip the 1 popcorn and make a popcorn in the next stitch. Continue the same method through the end. Now let's stuff it. Continue decreasing the popcorns till you reach the end. Now we are gonna make its eyes and mouth. Now let's make tiny hands for it. Chain 7. Keep 1 chain, double crochet 1 in each chain. Now I'm gonna stitch the hands. Look, it's almost ready. How cute, isn't he? And now I'm gonna give this tiny cute little card. I'm gonna attach this card with the help of hot glue, and it's ready.